Okay, so I saw this dude today who was talking about making 100K in 30 days using AI, and that'd be a pretty interesting challenge to try. So this is my attempt at making 100K in 30 days by using AI apps. So today we're gonna try to code uh, a one-shot app where you provide the one big prompt, or you give it to the coder and you let it go. And I already started that, except I forgot a small chunk, so I guess we're two-shotting it today. Um, so essentially, I'm building a pet walking app that essentially like Uber, and the only difference is, or the big difference is that now you can watch the dog being walked, and if the dog walker owns Ray-Ban Meta glasses, they are incorporated back into the API so the dog walker can wear them, and the person who's having their dog walk can watch the live stream of their dog being walked. So uh, I had fed all of that into the one shot command prompt, or sorry, kind of command prompt, but uh, the coding prompt that I'm using, and I had forgot to add the dogs. So you want to add the dogs, like, so they have profiles and stuff, and then you schedule the dog to the person and such. And I forgot to add that, so I guess it's now a two-shot app. So this is what it looks like as it's building. But here, I'll have ChatGPT read to you what we got going, just so you can hear it. Hold on. Do, 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 do. Here we go.
Absolutely. Here's your fully updated, ultra detailed AI prompt, now including dog profile registration under each owner account, with photo upload taking and walk scheduling tied to specific dogs. Dog
Dagnabbit.
walking app, AI code generation prompt, final version with dog profiles. Build a production ready, full featured dog walking web application using React frontend, Flask backend API, Tailwind CSS for styling, SQL Alchemy, and PostgreSQLite for dev, Stripe, PayPal, and Apple Google Pay for payments. The app must be fully responsive, mobile friendly, and architected for real deployment. User roles: dog owner can register, create dog profiles, schedule walks, purchase merchandise, and review walkers. Dog walker creates a social style profile, sets availability, offers amenities, e.g., live stream. Admin manages surge pricing, product listings, user moderation, shelter verification. Dog profile management. Every dog must have a profile under a dog owner. Include the following: a dog profile page with dog's name, breed optional, age or DOB optional, upload or take a photo, camera capture and file upload supported. Dogs are registered separately from owners. An owner can have multiple dogs. The scheduling flow for a walk must require selecting a registered dog. Walkers see the dog's photo and name in their dashboard before the walk. Walk history is stored per dog and per owner. Front end must include dog profile card component, add dog modal with file input or webcam using Get User Media, dog specific booking interface. Backend must associate each dog with a dog owner, store uploaded images with optional S3 local handling. Include a dog model, Python class dog db.model, b.column, db.integer primary key equals true, name equals db.column, db.string, photo URL equals db.column, db.255, owner ID equals db.column, db.foreign key user.id. Updated booking flow. Owner selects a walker, then selects one of their registered dogs, then schedules the walk. Backend links that walk to both the walker and the specific dog. Summary of features. Dog profiles. Register one or more dogs per owner. Upload or take a photo. View dog's walk history. Booking. Book walks for registered dogs. Must select a dog during booking. Surge pricing. Enable via admin panel with multiplier and time window. Dynamically adjusts walk pricing during surge. Merchandise. Tailwind styled e-commerce store. Stripe, PayPal, Apple, Google Pay support. Stored payment methods optional. Admin manages products. Live GPS and walk tracking. Start and walk. Live map, route, distance, duration. Real-time updates shown to owner. History linked to both walker and dog. Streaming add-ons. Walkers can offer Phone Stream, Dog Cam, Meta Glasses Stream, optional upsell at booking. AI recommendations. Suggest walkers based on rating, location, availability, breed match. Shelter mode. Verified shelters list adoptable dogs. Volunteer walkers can walk dogs for free. Admin panel. Toggle surge pricing. View all users, dogs, walkers. Approve shelters. Manage products. Architecture. Tailwind CSS UI, React Router, Axios, Context API, or Redux. Key components, dog profile card, walker directory, booking modal, live stream viewer, merch store. Flask, backend, RESTful API with JWT Auth, SQL Alchemy models, user, dog, walk, review, merchandise, order, surge pricing, shelter. Image upload endpoint for dog profile photos. Stripe PayPal checkout flows. Extras include full mock data and seed script, fully commented modular code. Deployment configs, dockerfile.env.example, readme.md. Bonus, walk history dashboard filtered by dog. Goal, generate everything needed to build this app. Backend Flask API, front-end React app, database models, Tailwind-styled pages, and install scripts. Would you like a version of this prompt adapted to use Next.js, React Native, or Firebase Next? Or should I help you spin up this exact stack?
So it was pretty intensive in what that whole prompt entailed, but we threw it into the coding app and it's going through it now. And it looks like it's built most of it. Most of the files are here so far. We're just waiting for it to fix a bug in its own code. So remember, we started this maybe 10 minutes ago, and it's going, and it's taking a hot minute to do what it's going to do, but it's doing it. That should build the auth provider approach, resolve the circular dependency issue once and for all. I think it's still fucked up. Oh, wait, yep, it's still broke. Router must be used within an authorizer. Okay, so it's apparently, I just scroll, it's, suppose it fixes. Let's see if we see the problem. Mood changes. Oh, still broken. So I can walk away for like 20 minutes and come back. I've done that before. Instead of waiting, we should ChatGPT tell us some jokes. Alright, let's do that. Hey ChatGPT, so I have like, I don't know, 5 minutes to kill, so tell me some really funny jokes. Let's do it. They can be dirty too.
All right, let's keep it light. Why did the computer go to the doctor? It had a virus.
That was absolutely terrible.
Haha, tough crowd. How about this? Why do programmers hate nature? It has too many bugs.
Wah, wah, that was even worse. Tell me a really funny, dirty joke.
All right, let's keep it clean. How about why was the math book sad? It had too many problems.
Ugh, I don't want clean. You're terrible at, what you do. You're good at putting the prompts together. You're telling jokes, you sort of suck. Anyway, so where are we at over here? Let's restart the whole workflow. God. So far we're still sitting here. Replic's still throwing errors. And it's going to take a while to fix. I know it's going to, but I can sit here and dig it myself, or I can just let it do it. And if I let it do it, it'll eventually get fixed. Just interesting, man. Like, the future has changed so much. Like, I thought we'd have, like, flying cars and stuff. We'd, like, hit the year 2000, but no. 2025, we have, like, self-coding bots. It's making good progress, but it hasn't fixed it. How are you making good progress but still not working? I wonder what the prompt would create for, well, if we feed this prompt back to O4 Mini, which just came out. I wonder what happens. So let's copy this whole thing. Let's see. Hit new chat. O4 Mini. Hi. Alright, so this is me feeding it back to O4 Mini High just to see what it spews out. This is pretty wild too. We'll throw that into VS Code in a moment. Now let's go back to this. Oh, look, it froze. ChatGPT 04 Mini High is like, This is where I got stuck, creating the admin panel. Freeze. Interesting. This doesn't look like it's completed though. Well, let's give this a shot on Jupiter. Can you build this as one cell in Jupiter? This is bad, not good. Let's give it a shot. Okay, that's still taking a while, so let's go back and look what's going on in the other window. So it's troubleshooting the bugs that it's provided itself because it wrote its own bugs. And now it's fixing its bugs. Oh, still broken. I'm making good progress, but I'm not done yet. Oh. So this is the part that sucks, is always waiting, right? It's always fun to have a bunch of things running at the same time just for shits and giggles. Oh my god. Still trying. So this thing's doing something wild over here too. Like, what is this? You're trying what? Oh, it's installing the module. This is interesting. Let's go back to the other one and see what's going on over there and Replit. So over here, they still have an issue with authentication. Look at that TSX. You also need to fix. Use auth must be used with an auth provider. The same error, dude. You're going in circles. Over here, must use an auth provider. And we're still looping with the same error. Like, I don't like when it does these little simple off contacts or whatever because it likes to leave those behind. So you just have to go back and clean it up. Oh, I'll try to run for a second. Cannot read properties of undefined. Reading base rate. Okay, much better. We're getting closer. And that one's done. Let's see what happens now. Oh, now it's updating the admin dashboard. I need somewhere to be able to dictate prices and stuff for merchandise and shut off the surge pricing if I don't want to use it. But I think that's a great idea because it'll make people want to use the app so they'll get paid more. Speaking of which, I think that's one thing I forgot is to add Stripe integration for how the other person gets paid. Cool. Alright, so it should be launching the app now. I don't see any errors coming up so far, which is good. Oh, wait. Different error related to the Walker card component where I'm trying to access the base rate. Did we just go through this? You already fixed the Walker card, jerk. It says it's running. Let's do a refresh. See if it's actually doing anything. Oh, see, it tries to render, but it doesn't. The moment it gets to the Walker card, it crashes. So I said I was going to work on this for like half hour, and I'm like at least an hour into this. I don't think this recording is that long, but when I first fed it the prompt, I think it was like 10:40. Now it's 11:41. So this has been going on for about an hour, I guess. It's made amazing progress so far. Granted, it's I had to fix a couple bugs, but hopefully it loads now. Let's see. Oh, sad face. Such sad face. Oh no. That's interesting what's going on. So the API wasn't responding with any data. So now it's trying to fix the routes and the storage. Interesting. See, it's identified the issue. The problem is again, all Walker's method is returning just the user objects without their profiles. Now let's see what happened. It was a weird little face thing in the bottom. That was weird. Dog W. There's only one? There's a whole bunch. I'm missing dog walkers. I only see one. Earlier, I could see all the demo ones. Let's see. Find a walker. Cool. So this only sees the one. So now it's going to build some demo ones. And this is pretty clever, man. So all this should be hidden though. Oh no. It broke. How dare you? God damn bookings. You're booted anyway. Your changes. Are they working? I would like to know. Yes, but they all have it. Let's see how this works out. Paul Walker, Dog W, Sarah J, Mike S, Emma D. Yes, but their faces are cut off. So let's do a snip and let it look at what I'm seeing. And you. Can you adjust the cards to accommodate the whole face? Also add sample owners and their dogs. Also goes, you're right. I can see it be broken. Let me go fix it. So I think I also want to add like a hover over the picture so you can see what the person looks like by hovering the mouse over them. I think that'd make a good thing. It'd be pretty cool. Right. Fix side, cause the face cut off. Oh, there we go. That did it. Very cool. Okay. Sweet. So we're gonna add samples, sample owners and their dogs. I mean, this is pretty impressive, though, isn't it? I mean, we've gotten this far, and it's been an hour and 10 minutes. Yes, it looks better. Well, now it's reviewing my message. So now it's adding the dogs and the people that own the dogs. So the idea is that those people will be able to log in and schedule a dog walk. So let's ask it for credentials for one of those sample accounts. I need a sample account login for both dog walker and the dog owner. I know that. I know that. Alright, so I think this is where I'm going to cut off the video for tonight. This is just going to take a hot minute. Oh, hold on. Let's try one. Let's try a dog walker. Let's sign in with Opie Sarah at example.com. Password 123. Uh-oh, sign in button no worky. Sign in button doesn't work, dude. Dun dun dun. I think this is where I'm going to cut it off. This is taking too long for the night. And probably been going on for over an hour, so we'll check in tomorrow.